This is the PTA coach. Good to have you guys on this beautiful Friday morning. Yes, I know, guys, it's been a while. I have not posted a video, I have not gone live. I've just been busy with work and everything else associated with work, okay? But I told myself that I have to come on this morning. I just have a few minutes to spare and I have to go see my lovely patients this morning. A lot of us will be taking the exam pretty soon. I believe April the 1st and the 2nd is the next state board exam. I'm talking about the NPTE PTA exam. So a lot of us have to get prepared, and just like the title says, PTA exam last minute review. We will be having a last minute review this coming weekend, guys. Possibly this evening when I come back. I will announce the times, okay? And I will also post it here on YouTube so you guys know exactly when I'm coming on, okay? So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification button so you know exactly when I'm coming on. And I'm going to share with you guys the times for the workshop review, okay? So make sure you join the workshop. I know I say this a lot of times in all my videos. I say, join the workshop, come to the workshop, okay? You need to come in there, especially with the exam coming up next week. It's the 1st and the 2nd, guys. Okay, so right now we can't be talking about practice exams. I've been pounding and talking and reiterating about practice exams. Now the days are here. Okay, the state board exam is just days away. Days away. So we can't be talking about the practice exam at this point. But what you can come in to the workshop and do is find out for yourself where you stand at this point. As a matter of fact, you should know where you stand prior to now. But come to the workshop, okay, so you can gain the wisdom and gain the knowledge. And I want you guys to walk into that exam hall with your head held high and with confidence, knowing that you will or you have experienced victory, okay? Don't tell yourself, I think I'm going to pass. Tell yourself, I have passed this exam. Yes, you have to have that strong belief or faith within you that you've done everything necessary to pass this exam. Now, if you watch one of my other videos, I've talked about the fact that the NPTE tells us, well, rather, FSBPT tells us that out of everybody that takes the exam, right, 85% of the people pass. So let's say, for example, you have 1,000 people that take the exam, 850 people will pass the exam. So I want you to tell yourself that you will be in the 85% that will pass this exam, okay? You have to believe in yourself that you can do it. Once again, I am your PTA coach. I've explained myself as far as my educational background, and I'll just repeat that for those of you who are brand new to my channel. Number one, I have an associate's degree in physical therapy. I am a licensed physical therapist assistant in the state of Texas. Okay, that's number one. Number two, I have a bachelor's degree from University of Houston in business finance. Okay. Also, I have a master's degree in health services from Keller Graduate School. Keller Graduate School is under DeVry University. Okay. So as far as being a PTA, I've been a PTA since 2016, guys. So I have a lot of knowledge to share with all of you. I've been to the school, I've gone through the whole process. I took my exam, I passed my exam, and I'm licensed, okay? So I have a lot to share with a lot of us. I've been in different sectors or different settings. I've worked in home health, okay? I've also worked in places like skilled nursing facilities, outpatient, hospital, okay? I've done some travel work. So I have a lot of knowledge to share with all of us. Don't worry about the jobs, okay? Do not worry about if you're going to find a job. The jobs are all over the place. There's jobs all over the place as far as PTAs, okay? So come into the workshop so you can gain more wisdom and knowledge and know how to tackle these questions, because we've been told, okay, by the FSBPT that these questions will be well structured. Okay, I like that phrase, well structured. So we have to come into this workshop and know how to answer well structured questions. Okay, we have to. I want to share something with you guys real quick. Okay, guys, I don't have that much more time left. I think I'll be on for maybe another 10 minutes and then I have to go. I want to share something with you guys. Once again, it's my video, right? So I'm going to give credit to myself. So I don't think I should have any copyrights, guys. It's my video, right? So I want to share something with you guys here. Give me 1 second. I want to show you guys a video that I did. And yeah, so let's pay close attention to this, guys. Once again, welcome to my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, let me flip this around. Just give me 1 second here. I'm going to turn this to this angle. And let's pay close attention to this video, okay? Once again, I give credit to myself for this clip. It's coming straight from the PTA coach. Give me 1 second. Okay, 1 second here, guys. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys, type a 1 in the chat if you can hear this. I'm going to turn up the volume a little bit. And let's pay close attention to this, okay? It's not me saying this. This is straight from FSBPT. Right here. What does it say right there, guys? These changes aim to maintain the exam's rigor while potentially reducing some of the stress associated with the testing process. You guys see that? Okay? It's very important to know that. It's very important. Okay? I can't say it enough. This exam is not a skate in the park. It's not a walk in the park either. It's not. I want to show you guys something else that I feel is very, very important. Okay? Let's scroll up here. Let me read some stuff to you guys. Here are the reasons why people fail this exam. Let me show you guys right here. This is why we fail. You guys see that? Number 1 is ineffective study strategies. Number 2 is something going on with yourself. Look at that right there. Okay, let me flip this. Number 3 is knowledge gaps. I talked about knowledge gaps so many times. Number 4 is poor test-taking skills. Poor. Look at number 5, lack of self-assessment. Okay? I talk a lot about those practice exams. Look at number 6, guys, ignoring readiness indicators. Once again, those low scores on practice exams, we ignore those. We cannot ignore it. We cannot ignore those low scores. Okay? I tell us a lot of times we have to come to our truth. If you fail, if you do poorly, that's an indicator. You have to pay attention to it. Come to the workshop. Come to the workshop. All right, number 7, insufficient practice with exam style questioning. Okay? Number 8, external factors. Number 9, over preparation. Number 10, language barriers. Language barriers. So, I have a lot of things to say. I don't know if I even have enough time to say these things. If you took the exam the first time and you failed, you took it the second time, you failed, took it the third time, you failed, took it the fourth time, you failed. Now, it is evident that something or some things are just not working, okay? You guys know my channel, I don't sugarcoat. I tell you guys these things with compassion, deep down inside of me. If you've done it that many times and you failed, something is not working. We can't keep doing the same thing and expect a different result. I don't know what courses you took out there. Once again, I respect all courses out there. All the teachers, all the instructors, all the tutors, all the courses out there. I respect all of them. But if you think about it, you've done it the first time, you failed. Second time, failed. Third time, failed. Fourth time, failed. You now only have 2 chances. What if you take it next time and you fail? You have 1 chance. And this brings me to the numbers. You guys know I talk about the numbers all the time. What is this right here? Those of you in the chat right now, what does this mean? The number 6. Yeah, I know it's the number 6. We have 6 lifetime attempts to pass this exam. 6. We don't pass in the 6 attempts, that's it. All the money we spent on those exams to take the exam is gone. All the money we spent in school is gone. The tuition, every single thing. All the resources are gone. All the time we spent in school is gone. This is serious, guys. This is imperative. I can't use that word enough. All that money is gone. What is this? You guys are gonna say, yeah, coach, we know it's number 5. Now tell us about the number 5 again. Yes, I have to tell you about it again because I don't sugarcoat on my channel. I say it so many times. On the exam, those 180 questions that we talked about, there's 5 major topics. 5 major topics. What is it, guys? We have the musculoskeletal system, we have the cardiovascular and pulmonary system, we have the nervous system, we have non-system, and we have other systems. 5 main areas. And we've learned a lot, guys, in the span of 2 years. My program was 19 months. I had to learn all those things in 19 months. And maybe yours is 24 months. But we've learned a lot in such a short period of time. It's a lot of information. Boom, 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 bam, pow. And now you have to take the exam, 180 questions. So you need a guide. You need to be talking to a person like me who actually took this exam. Yes, this exam. I came into this room, guys, and checked my results. On the same desk, checked my results, and it says I passed. So you're talking to a person who passed the exam. And I know what it takes. It's rigorous. I just talked about the fact that a lot of you spent 24 months learning all this. I spent 19 months. And I walked in there with my head held high, and I experienced victory. So I want you to experience victory too. I told you guys, I don't teach. Yeah, I said that. I have to be as transparent as possible with all of us. Don't walk into this workshop once again. I'm repeating again, expecting me to teach you from scratch. I actually marked some of these chapters. Let me show you guys something right real quick. This right here, guys, is neuromuscular. Okay, I just want to show you guys something quickly. This right here alone is neuromuscular. This. Okay, guys, once again, welcome to my channel. I want to give credit to myself. This is my content, of course. Watch this video, guys. I have a lot of things that I share in this video and other videos that I've also done. Okay, just like I said there, I don't teach. Okay, and let me just make myself clear when I say that I don't teach. If you think about it, right, you've gone to PTA school like myself, right? You spent time in there. You've gone through the teaching, you've gone through the tutoring, you've gone through the instructing. You've taken exams in class, you've taken quizzes, okay? You've done your skill comps. You've actually gone out there and done clinical rotations. So what you need now is to cross the bridge. When I keep talking about crossing the bridge, on the other side of the bridge is your license. Okay, is your license. Sorry, guys, I use this to support my book. The other thing on the other side of the bridge is your license. And I want to coach you to success so you can get your license. It's once in a lifetime. You pass it the first time, that's it. All you have to do is renew your license every 2 years. Okay, so let's listen more to what I have to say in this, and then we have to go. Okay, look at all about neuromuscular. Are you guys going to come into a workshop? Okay. The workshops that I talked about that are coming up soon. Exam prep. And you expect me to come in there and read all this to you in 2 hours? What are you getting out of that? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay? Nothing. When you come in for that 2 hours, we're standing on business. We're going through a lot of things. Matter of fact, I have topics that I have. Let me give you guys 1 second, guys. I want to read to you guys some of the topics, okay? So just so you know, so you have an idea. Give me 1 second. I'm going to open this. I'm going to read some topics to you guys. Just give me a second. Thank you for being patient, guys. Thank you for being very, very patient. I want to show you guys something. Not show you, but read to you something, okay? So, for example, musculoskeletal. Let me read to you guys the topics that we will be covering. Now, once again, it's not teaching. We're going to be tackling a lot of things that could possibly show up on the exam. All right, so for example, musculoskeletal. Let me read this quickly, guys. When you come into the workshop, we're going to cover the following things: planes of the body, muscle action, muscle anatomy, musculoskeletal system screening, muscle insufficiency. We're going to cover posture. We're going to cover end field. Give me 1 second, guys. We're going to cover gait deviations. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, still going. We're going to cover manual muscle testing and positions for manual muscle testing. We're going to cover goniometry. We're going to cover special test outline, resistive training, open chain versus closed chain exercises, pathologies of the musculoskeletal system, complications following amputations. Give me 1 second. Gait deviations, prosthetic causes versus amputee causes, types of fractures, pharmacological management of the musculoskeletal system, and we're also going to cover musculoskeletal system terminology. Yes, sir. Yes, I told you we stand on business, okay? So be prepared. I will require all of us, once again, before you come to the workshop, I want you to review. So if those are going to be the topics on the workshop, I want you to review those topics before you come in, okay? All right, so just to give you guys a heads up, an idea of what it looks like and what we talk about and things like that. Okay, so we have to be prepared because we're going in there to answer well-structured questions. Well-structured questions, okay? So don't wait till the last minute, guys. Today is the 11th, okay? Like I said, the first one is on the 14th, the workshop from 7. All right, guys. So yeah, that was a previous workshop that we hosted. Okay. So once again, I will be announcing the workshops coming up for this weekend. Possibly tonight when I get back, I'll give you guys the dates. I'm sorry, well, yeah, the dates and the time. So make sure you come into the workshop because we don't have any other time. Okay. The exam is next week, I believe Monday and Tuesday, 1st and 2nd. Those are the exams. I can't be with you at the exam center. I have no business there. But remember, you have business to take care of at that exam center. Okay, so I want you to go in there and handle business. Stand on business, like I always tell you guys, and go in there and handle your business. All right, guys, I have to leave at this time. I appreciate you guys. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel if I can get the word out. Hit the notification button so you know exactly when I come on. I appreciate all of you for what you do. Remember, guys, I always tell you, you have to go out there and fight. And when we fight, we experience victory. I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy your day. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.